We are back again to help you heal, help you feel good. How are you? Everything okay? Hey, let's focus on your mind. That's the crown chakra. Okay? Sometimes the mind loses its way and you cannot understand why it happens to you that way. Sometimes you have to stop and think, hey, why can't I think? Why can't I reason? Why can't I be me? Why can't I feel good about myself? And why can't I feel at peace? But sometimes your mind can get hiccups, they say, get confused, brain fog as well. Hey, I can't remember anything. What just happened? So we have to heal each other peacefully and mentally. I want you to feel yourself come alive again. Imagine a golden light on top of your head. Let that golden light come down throughout your whole entire body. And hold it to the ground. So take a deep breath. Now lift that golden light right through your body and you're grounded. Simple as that. You are grounded. But I want you to relax. Take that load off your feet. Take what is not yours and not mine either. Take other people's problems out of your head so you don't think about other things, only yourself. Now you're not being selfish. You're just focusing on you. You gotta focus on you. You count. You matter. You gotta focus on you. You gotta feel good about yourself. We're gonna use magnetized spray. That's what I'm wearing around here. Magnetize myself. It's actually magnetized water, basically. Purified water. Now what this does for you, it makes you feel good. See? A magnet, it locks on. It makes you feel great. That's 1600 power. This is what I'm wearing on my neck. Power, 1600 power. As a Reiki master, we can heal you. But we gotta use magnets too to help make the body function again. Now you have to believe in that method. If you don't, it's not gonna work. And I can tell you many things that I've done with magnets, but it's help you with your mind, help you focus on your self-identity, help you feel relaxed and peaceful. You want to feel relaxed and peaceful. You want to feel yourself again. Okay? You want to feel healed. You want to feel blessed. But most of all, that love that you have inside, that caring you have inside, that's what you focus on. Your mind can think, reason, understand, and question. But you have the final say. You have the goal and the life that you need to solve these things. Every day is a new day. Every day we try to cope and function in our daily lives. So, amethyst crystal goes with the crown. Diamonds. I believe gold as well. So if you have that near you, you should have that always with you. Amethyst crystal. This is in its raw state. It's very powerful. We use this to help heal your mind. Helping your mind be at ease. Helping your soul be at one. Helping you feel enlightened. Helping you feel peaceful. Helping you feel yourself again. Okay? You have the power. You have the might. You have the Reiki on your side. The power of Reiki to come down and cleanse you. Fill your mind. Because your crown chakra. Open up that crown chakra. Send liquid purified energy in there from Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael's lightning bolt comes down into your crown so you can feel that the divine energy, angels, healing from the divine source of energy, life force energy. The life force energy surrounds you. It makes you breathe. It makes you alive. You feel it. Take a deep breath. When you take a deep breath, you're flushing out your system. You're making yourself feel pure and energized. You feel that energy inside you every day. You feel happiness and warmth and comfort every day. You feel yourself living for each day. And you have this in many ways. You have this healing inside of you. The power is inside of you. I send you healing. I send you wisdom. I send it to your crown there. This is you up here. This is your crown. I send the healing to you as well. I'm going to brush the crystal on both sides of you. You hear it? That's you right there in front of me. You feel the crystal on you, right here. This is where you feel the crystals. Healing you inside and out. You're feeling the healing energy come to you. Your mind. Healing your mind. The crown chakra. It's very important to you. We take that energy and we send it to you right now. Emotion, it's your emotional self inside of you. We take the amethyst, put it on your crown, and brush it on your skin. We take a clear quartz wand, put it on the crown, and also put it on your sides. You feel it? I'm going to draw the healing symbols on you. And the emotional one too. So you are protected and you are healed. You feel the strength of Reiki inside of you. You feel the power. Let me send extra healing with the Reiki symbols on this lapis lazuli. I'm going to brush this on you. You feel it? And you hear it as well. You feel the healing of Reiki on you. I'm going to spray the magnetic right on you. Okay? Healing spray. This is magnetic infused purified water. You hear it? You feel it? You feel it? And you feel that healing. You feel that healing inside. Let me brush away any negative energy off of you. We don't want it on you. We want you to stay pure and calm. We want you to feel good. A wooden stick has a lot of power. Write the symbols down on the stick to help heal you. They help heal you against anything that should not be on you. Remove what is on you. Anything that's on you, I evoke you away. I summon you away from this individual. They don't need you on there, so they can have peace of mind and their mind can think for themselves and they can understand what life is all about. The crown chakra is very important. Yeah, that is one of the important parts of your entire body. Your crown, your brain, your mind. It's very important. If we just scrape away the pain and the sorrow, things that you face every day. This is all I'm doing to you. I'm wiping away anything that's on you. And you feel cleansed. Okay? You have my hands. With your permission, I place my hands right on you right now. You feel what I feel. You endure what I endure. You feel the healing of Reiki and psychic energy as well. I am a psychic healer. It runs in the family. I'm sending you healing as well psychically to you. Cleanse you. Heal you. Make your mind fill with wonder and wisdom and joy. Make you feel that energy restored to you right now. You feel it. I let go. You have this. You have this energy. You feel it. I'm there with you, and I'm here with you. Remember, I'm always with you. You're not alone. You're not by yourself. You have me. I'm here for you. Always. Guaranteed. You are not alone in your struggles. You have peace. You have happiness and love. Let's see, what else do we have here? No, that's about it, because we have the crystals. We have everything. I want you to feel good about yourself. But most of all, I want you to feel healed. I want you to feel great. And I want you to have peace of mind and peace of thought. Again, always feel good. Always feel that healness. Always feel that deep cleansing inside and out. You have the struggles. You have the pain. But most of all, you have your brain. Because you got the wisdom to understand, to comprehend, to learn, to ask questions. You have to ask questions. So the mind can ease. The mind can refresh. Every day when you wake up, that mind is ready to learn something new, to learn something peaceful and something, actually something new, yeah. You have this all in you. I send it to you right now. Take them out, sugar ray, sugar ray, sugar ray, sugar ray. You have peace. You have solitude. You have this energy inside of you. You have this peace and solitude. Now, the selenite I use it for healing. It's a special crystal for healing, for sleep, protection. You feel them? We have two of them. Both of them are on you. Feel it. Just imagine you are right here, and you are here with me, and I'm helping you with your mind, healing your mind. We reach out to your mind and heal it. Heal your mind. Healing your mind and healing yourself to make yourself a better person inside and out. Okay? Now do you understand? Great. I send you the healing of Reiki. I send you a 360 degree spiritual protection shield as well. And you feel the healing right now. Let me brush off anything that's left over. Douse my hands with some headache spray. You're protected. You're healed. Now, I'll see you next time. Peace to you.